Alright. Seafood salad prep. All that goodness. I'm gonna let it marinate in the refrigerator overnight. Before I put it in the refrigerator, I'm gonna add a little smoked paprika on top. Follow us on TikTok at Philly Power 99. Make it look pretty. Hey, 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 hey. A lot of goodness in this pan. A little parsley. And we all know parsley don't have no flavor. It's just making it look pretty, that's all. Now I'm gonna season this chicken. Let it marinate overnight, and I'll cook that tomorrow. My chicken is all clean, seasoned. I'm gonna wrap it up, put it in the refrigerator, let it marinate. Let all that season soak in. So then when I deep fry it tomorrow, chef kisses.